Hello all, welcome back. Following WWDC this year, Apple had announced its transition to its own silicon. And as promised, here it is. And Mac is taking a huge leap forward with this. It's a first step of transition and they have named it as Apple M1. Apple M1 chip comes with industry-leading features and energy efficient. One of the strongest points which Apple highlights is the power efficiency or the longer battery life. So until now it had different chips for CPU, graphics and memory, whereas with M1 it's all unified and incorporated into one chip. It uses 5 nanometer technology with 16 billion transistors. With 8-core CPU, it delivers high performance and it is world's fastest CPU ever. And I have to repeat that it delivers this performance at a lower power consumption, and so it is the world's fastest CPU per watt. Coming to the graphics, it has got 8-core GPU which Apple claims will deliver incredible performance. So M1 is expected to deliver 2 times performance of any latest PC chip. With 16-core neural engine, it can perform 11 trillion operations per second. And comparing to the latest generation system, one another feature is a secure enclave. And the operating system built in M1 is macOS Big Sur. With the new M1 chip, Apple is introducing 3 new products: MacBook Pro 13-inch, MacBook Air 13-inch and Mac Mini. There is no much design change in any of these products, but with the new chip, it is expected to go to next level performance. Starting with MacBook Air 13-inch, it comes with 8-core CPU which is expected to deliver 3.5 times faster than the current generation PC. And it has got 8-core GPU which will be 5 times faster. And Apple claims that it will provide 98% faster than any current selling PC. It comes with 16-core neural engine and 2 times faster SSD. And as it highlights, MacBook Air comes with a longer battery life with 15 hours of wireless web and 18 hours of video playback. And another advantage of MacBook Air is its security boot. It comes with hardware verified security boot. And Apple have optimized all its apps in macOS Big Sur. So all your apps will be having a smoothing performance hereafter. For example, Final Cut Pro will be 6 times faster than the current version. And there are few universal apps which can be operated both on macOS and also on Intel at the same time. For example, Adobe Lightroom. And MacBook Air comes in a very sleek design and it has got Touch ID and the features of Apple Pay, etc. And the price starts at $999 US. So that's new MacBook Air with new M1 chip. Now let's move on to MacBook Pro 13-inch. Moving forward to MacBook Pro 13-inch, it is going to be way more powerful with the new M1 chip. Again, it comes with 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, and a neural engine which will be 11 times faster than any current notebook. And that's how it's going to be world's fastest compact pro notebook. It has got a longer battery life with 17 hours of wireless web, 20 hours of video playback. Audios will be more smoother, videos will be less grainy, and the price starts with US $1,299. And next is new Mac Mini incorporated with new M1 chip. With 8-core CPU, it is going to be 3 times faster and 8-core GPU giving 6 times faster than the current one. So at the same time, it is going to be 1/10 of the size of the current laptop, whereas the performance will be 5 times faster. It has got a neural engine which will be 15 times faster. It comes with 2 USB-C port, display HDR and 3.5mm microphone. The price starts with $699 US. So to recap, Apple have introduced its new M1 chip and they have introduced 3 products with this new chip. The most important feature is that previously they had lot many chips in which now they have unified and incorporated into one single chip. And the other highlight is longer battery life and 8-core graphics card. In a nutshell, I should say that 2020 was a leap year for the Apple because they came up with a series of products taking technology to its next level. Let's experience it in our own hands. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Take care and bye-bye.